Hi guys, it's Laura. I got some happy mail today and some acquisitions. I can just show a box of one, but I can show you the other two. One is I just cracked it open. It is my Annie's Caring Crochet Club for October. And it is, well, it's already open. I guess we're gonna make a neck warmer, or maybe two neck warmers. He's kind of cute. Don't know who he is, but he's kind of cute. A little young. So it looks like we're making neck warmers for the Seamen's Church Institute. It was founded in 1834. It's affiliated with the Episcopal Church, and it provides pastoral care, maritime education, and legal and advocacy services for mariners. And the Christmas at Sea, I guess is what maybe this is the volunteer crocheting and knitting program. So we're making cowls for them. Yeah, so that'll be two easy things to get done and sent off. And we have two different colors. They gave us a hook. I won't use this hook, more than likely. I don't even know what size it is. It's a 9mm. And we have some, it's not soft, but it's not Red Heart Super Saver. It's a 5 bulky, 167 yards, 100% polyester. And you can wash and tumble dry on low heat. So we got a green one and a blue one. That is a very pretty blue. Green I'm not so keen on, but I'm not a green person. And we have our card to send with them. Alrighty, so that is the Annie's Caring Crochet Club this month. Let me stick this back in here. And put it back here so I know that this one is the Annie's one and will need to get done soon. So I'm gonna put that one right here. And I have my crochet surprise box, but I can't open it yet because it's not the 5th of the month. So it is still sealed. Can't open it. So after the 5th of the month, I'll be able to show you guys that. And I got my Yarn Crush box. I did open that already. And we have one skein of yarn from Sea Turtle Fiber Arts. It says that it's a worsted 90 or 80% superwash merino, 10% nylon, 10% cashmere, 200 yards, wash in cold, and lay flat to dry. And the color is called Creatures of the Deep. It's a pretty color. My sister would have liked that color. So let's see what we're going to make. Oh, our freebie was, here's some labels. There's 3 different labels. And it says there's 15, 5 of each of the 3 designs. So, let's see. Crochet patterns on page 10 and 12. Ooh, and I'm looking just for a pair of these. A pair of fingerless gloves, or as they call them, Twisted Groves mitts. I'm not sure if they mean grooves, but it says groves. And the difficulty is rated as easy, which is good. And, well, that's one of them, and it will take 1 skein. The other is this hat. And here's the bottom, or the top part of it. And the side view. It's a pretty hat. I need these fingerless mitts, though. But I'm going to make it to go with a cowl and a hat that I've been looking for a pattern for. So once those are done, I'll have another whip done. That's what I got with my acquisitions, and I can't show you the one. I have to wait until the 5th. So that will stay there. I won't open it until then. But I did get some Happy Mail from Colorado Springs, Colorado. And I'm not sure who I know in Colorado Springs. So, let's open it and see what's there. Tape. Go. There's not a note in it, unless no. So this is a mystery. Oh, I know who it's from. It's eyes. It's not a mystery. It's from Jewel. These are eyes to go on my amigurumi. I get to try a couple of different eyes to see which ones go better. Thanks, Jewel. Now, if I just get that one picked. Oh, it's actually downstairs in front of the computer. So I can binge watch whatever. I think I'm binge watching Supernatural right now. This is cool. I've never played with these. I've never used them, but I'm gonna find out pretty soon how they work. So we had a crazy day yesterday and today. We have just over the weekend, we were doing some harvesting at my friend's farm. And normally my husband does the harvesting, but since he's been working all summer, he did come home for a couple of days and then turned around and left. He flew up to Dead Horse and is now working up at Prudhoe Bay. When he's coming back, I don't know. I wait for him to come back. It actually runs a lot smoother whenever he's not here. Except for whenever, we have to shovel snow and stuff like that. I'd much rather he do that. But, oh well, this is how we roll. So, while I was at my friend's farm, we had an appointment on Sunday to get our nails done. So I left my friend's husband and my son at their house to go get my nails done, and also so I wouldn't have to partake of too much of the harvest time. So we very, very slyly went to the Go Winter Expo. Everybody goes to the Go Winter Expo to take a chance to win something. You sometimes come out with buying something. I didn't come out buying anything, but I did sign up to win a couple of different stuff, actually a whole bunch of different stuffs, and I wasn't expecting to win because I never win, but I won. So yesterday, Devin and I drove to the place where we get our heating oil from, and I won a customized mini refrigerator. Unfortunately, it is customized more for a man cave. But, you know what? I won it. It's going in the yarn room. I might have to do some creative decorating with it, unless I want it to look like a oil gas pump. But you know what? It was free. I won it. I can put my drinks in it and keep them cold. I won't have to go downstairs and then come back upstairs and down and up and down and up. So, yeah, I'm thinking that this is good. And then for the last 2 days, I've been trying to get a same-day appointment with our veterinarian to take Homer to see the vet. He and Homer is our beagle, and he and our St. Bernard got into a fight. They're probably fighting over a pig foot, but Homer got the raw end of the deal like he normally does, so a vet visit was warranted. So I have tried for today's Wednesday, so I tried Monday and Tuesday and today to get a same-day appointment, and they didn't have any appointments until the 7th. So I called our farm vet, and although he is out of town, he did have somebody covering for him. So We took him into the vet today, and he does have 3 puncture wounds, and he is on an antibiotic and an anti-inflammatory now. So I'm thinking I might change vets though, because my farm vet is a lot cheaper than our regular vet. This cost me under $100, and if I had taken him to our other vet, it probably would have come close to 200 or 300. So I don't know. I like this. I like our farm vet because he does make house calls. He couldn't today though, but that's all right. I was more than happy to drive to him. So other than that, I've had a couple of questions about the egg, and I cannot tell a lie. The egg has disappeared. The cats got in the room, and because I have been procrastinating on hatching the egg, they got it, and they got into the yarn room in the middle of the night, so they had plenty head start to it. So we are tearing everything we can apart. I actually do think the egg is in the yarn room, but I have not found it because I have a huge mess everywhere. So today we are supposed to find the egg, and then the story can continue once we find the egg. On a side note, I know it hasn't hatched yet. I don't think never mind. Oh, I almost got hit by a car today. I was going to the post office to pick these up, and I was walking across the parking lot to go into the post office, and a car slid on the ice, and I started to run, and I didn't have the best traction of shoes, so then I slipped and fell, and it slid, and yeah, well, I didn't get hit. I probably will have a bruise on my hip, but that's all right. I'm perfectly fine. I probably won't go to Zumba tonight, because it is kind of sore. But other than that, I'm good. And I'm gonna do everything I can to go to Zumba because I really don't want to tackle this yarn room, although I do have to find the egg. So, shh, don't tell anybody that the egg ran away. Alrighty, guys. I will talk to you guys later, and I'm gonna look all over this room and see if I can find that darn thing. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.